Pop, pop, popsicle. Ice, ice, icicle. Test, test, testing the microphone. What's going on, everybody? My name is Chris Howe. In today's video, we'll be covering my desk, and we will also be covering my editor Lucas's desk as well. We're going to be chatting mostly about how we keep an efficient, organized, clean, and very creative workspace. So let's just jump right into it. Starting from the ground up, let's chat about my chair for a quick second. This is the Fully Hag Capisco ergonomic chair in black leather. Now, I'm a very antsy person that suffers from mild back pain, so there's many different ways to sit in this chair depending on my mood and level of back pain. The desk is from Fully. It's the L-shaped standing desk in bamboo. Now, I opted to get two built-in grommets with AC power, USB-C, and USB 3 charging solutions. I also installed a small drawer on the left side here in bamboo. This is great for storage solutions. And overall, I just love how much space I have on this desk to work. Next is a basic storage unit from IKEA. I don't really think you care what's inside of it. It's just like hard drives and SD cards and cables and all the other stuff that you need to make videos. That's what's in it. All right, let's talk about the brains of my operation. The computer is a 27-inch iMac. Now, I'm a lost little Canadian boy when it comes to workflow on computers. Sometimes I'm Mac, other times I am PC, but for now, I am vibing with Mac workflow. I use an iPhone, and this computer just understands the iPhone's love languages like AirDrop and iMessage. My daily tasks include managing the business, writing emails, editing photos, and this thing is absolutely perfect for it. The monitor is color calibrated and is similar to my phone, which is primarily where my work is being displayed. All right, so let's talk about the keyboard and mouse because all of you in previous videos have asked about this. This is the elegantly fierce ASIO Retro Classic keyboard. I opted for the leather wrapped palm rest and mouse. These paired together with the keyboard look so beautiful on my desk. I got an LED desk light from Fully. You can change the brightness and color temperature. Now, if you're like me, I'm actually quite sensitive to color temperature in a room. Some people like a blue light, some people like a warm light. I like having the option to change it based on my mood, and that's super important to my workflow. This is an Ember mug. Now, coffee is essential to any workplace, and if you're like me and don't finish your drinks, this keeps my coffee hotter for longer periods of time. All right, this is my headphone stand. It has a little catch-all on the bottom that I really like to hold my change, receipts, and all the other little knickknacks that are in my life. On the stand are the Sony WH-1000X Space M3. That was something to memorize. Sony, we need to talk about your product names for a second. To whom it may concern, Sony headphone people, and also anybody who names their products over at Sony. Stop it. These names are so hard to remember. Stop naming your products this. Thank you. Over here is a basic plastic storage container. In video production, it's always the little tool that you can't find that you need to get the shot. So, things like spigots, SD cards, and all the other small things that you need for video production live here, so that we don't go insane. All right, the charging wall. Now, I've seen these things floating around on the internet and thought it was such a great idea. I wanted to make use of the vertical space, so I mounted the pegboard to the wall. Now, being able to quickly see what batteries are charged and charging is so clutch when I'm shooting videos. Most of the chargers are mounted with Velcro, so I can take them with me if I'm ever on the go. All right, the shelf. This is the Colby bamboo shelf from Fully. I absolutely love this thing. I opted for the high one, which has 5 levels, so I can store my photography gear, but also display my passions and interests. As you can see, I have cars, cameras, Lego. The ultimate trifecta to make me happy. Over here is Lucas's desk. Now, we placed it here so Lucas and I can jam on ideas, write scripts, and also I can micromanage him by looking over his shoulder all the time. He loves it. I'm just joking. This is so if he's working on edits, he can point the monitor in my direction and I can be like, it's mostly, but sometimes it's, and that's why it's helpful. As for gear, he's using the Jarvis 60-inch standing desk from Fully made of bamboo. The same Hag Capisco chair in black leather, 2 Edifer monitors for video playback, clamp-on power bar, a color-accurate ViewSonic monitor on a Fully arm, and a clamp-on LED Fully light. The brains of this operation is a custom-built PC. If you guys want to watch the computer build, you can click on the video link right here. I'll also place it in the description there. Whatever you like to click, you got 2 options. All right, guys, that's it. If you want to learn any more information about these products, links are where they always are. I have one last item for you as we do the ASMR outro. I've clamped a Rode arm to my desk so I can do ASMR outros anytime I want. Sometimes I think to myself, what does this moment need right now? An ASMR outro. And then Lucas looks over and goes, I want to quit. And I go, don't quit. Don't do it. Do you want more ASMR? And he says, no, stop it. And on that note, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye. By the way, these ASMR outros are not going anywhere. So for all of you that are like, stop doing them, that's not happening. Oh my God, I can't say it.